Vlog 9. We got a nice little riding day with the fellas. Mike's showing out, getting his practice in for nationals, ready to go. We got Roy's bike here. He's got no air filter in it, like a goof. But Roy's getting the factory treatment today. And boys, we're training for nationals. Let's go. Hey, Ivan. Hey, Ivan. I got people asking, are you gonna be ready for nationals? Yeah. Yeah? Oh yeah. Alright, man. Alright. What do you guys say to your fans that are rooting for you to get back out on that bike?
Well, the doctor said as soon as I feel like I can go, so I should be good.
Yeah. Nice.
Maybe next week.
Hey, thanks, Ivan. I know you're a busy guy. I appreciate you taking the time. Hey. Pulling up, folks. She looks a little dry today. You guys remember vlog 2? It was at this same very spot. Nice little track. Mike Donovan, number 65, is back in the vlogs. Never been in the vlogs before. He's back riding today. He's training for nationals. And we got a little bet going on. The bet was, if Mike comes back and races nationals, so does Roy. But now I'm here and talk about Roy backing out, even though Mike's doing it. I don't know. I think we gotta leave in the comments if Roy has to hold up his end of the deal. I think he does. I think it's bullshit. Come on.
Hello.
Mike's back.
What happened?
Yeah, we got a little hole action.
We could just jump that.
That's what I'm saying. Mid corner jump. Seat bump the rump.
Well, it'll bump us all the way to the top of the rump.
If we had shovels, we could make a little mid-corner jump here. You think we bump this rump?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you test it.
Okay.
Okay.
I can do that.
So I was telling the folks about Roy's scummy shit going on here. I think it's absolutely bullshit. Personally. Did you hear about this?
No idea what happened. Let it on.
So you know the deal. You race nationals, Roy races nationals.
Yeah. Roy fucked me.
Roy literally said yesterday, "Nah, I'm not racing."
Look at me, I'm here.
He's got the
my
gear.
bottle back from Tiz.
Still has the box of gear.
Got my bottle back from Tiz. So gonna stay hydrated now.
Roy.
What?
You have to race. Yes, you do. You literally made the bet.
A little bit of Dr. Dolore here. Once upon a time, I don't know if you can see what's on the shoulder. Take a little look. Take a little look. Boom. A vintage logo? There it is. Oh my goodness. The Dogo. The vintage do logo. Can you teach me how to buckle these? I don't even remember. Alright, gentlemen, we're doing a little race here. Mike's back on the bike feeling confident. So Joey challenged him to a 2-lap race, sprint. Gonna drop the gate here in a couple minutes, but boys are prepping. It's gonna be a good one. We got Joey Carter on the 112 bike. We got Mike Donovan on the 445 bike. Don't get confused, Joey's normally on the 445. I'm normally on the 112 2 smoke. But we're switching it up today, getting a little excited. Gate's about to drop. Here we go, he's got the shot, boys. Mike's grabbing the shot right off the gate. Here we go, see if he can handle these corners. Mike's getting off to a good lead here, to my surprise. Mike's still holding them off, playing very, very good defense. So heading to the back straight, Joey's, something's going on with the bike. Uh-oh. Little bike malfunction. Oh shit, the back suspension. Fuck. Oh my god.
No surprise, Roy's bike is falling apart.
Explodes. What happened?
Like,
oh my god, the whole thing, dude. Holy fuck. The whole thing explodes. The seat is
no
gone.
Surprise.
What you hit, or when did it happen?
Okay, so the seat was moving. I was like,
holy
well, I know Roy's seat isn't on, but and then coming over here.
Holy
I
shit.
didn't know what happened.
And
God, Roy's shitty 01. What happened?
She exploded.
by pure speed alone, Mike wins the race.
And this is what they meant by a disadvantage I was having. Goddamn bike fell in half on me. What do you got me riding, Roy? Roy, sell this piece of shit. Clearly the bike wasn't set up to my weight.
No, we didn't set the sag.
No.
Forgot to set the sag.
Forgot to set the sag, that's the issue, eh? Oh my god.
Holy shit. Let's get a picture of that right there.
Take a look at that.
Send a picture of Roy
Oh
doing more heel
my
clickers.
god, he's low riding. It's a chopper.
Roy doing more heel clickers again.
Oh my god. Jimmy's out there for one last ride. My bike is almost snapped in half, but any day out on the bike's a good day. Here he comes. Thanks for tuning in, boys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.